Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Are alkanes polar or non-polar molecules? Correct answer is alkanes are non-polar molecules. This is due to the symmetric distribution of carbon and hydrogen atoms in the molecule, which results in a balanced charge distribution. Drag out the structure because there are no electronegative atoms such as oxygen or nitrogen present to create regions of partial positive or partial negative charges to the overall molecule does not possess a permanent dipole moment. As a result, alkanes do not exhibit significant intermolecular forces beyond weak dispersion forces, which contributes to their low solubility in polar solvents and their generally low reactivity with other molecules. Overall, the lack of polar bonds in alkanes lead to their classification as non-polar molecules.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.